work in the property casualty business. That's auto and home and toys. And with the inflationary pressures that have been going on, we're usually pretty good at smoking a customer out in the first call. But what I'm finding now is that they're seeing our products as a commodity. And in our marketplace, I can't say, my people can't say, hey, if you think this is a commodity, you're in the wrong place, because we're a high-touch organization. I'd like to have sort of a gentle way. I can't even use the word commodity because it's like a $10 word in their case. And I'm just wondering if you might have some languaging for us to be able to say something like that.
Well, I don't want you to be in a defensive position where you have to defend yourself. That's a losing battle. So what I'd rather do, Jerry, is see if we can language for your people the ability to connect to the customer around the importance and priority and impact of not solving their problem around insurance, what the risk is by not doing it, as opposed to doing it. See, I think what's happening is you're going with the idea of we need to convince this person that we are the best choice for them, as opposed to let's go into the conversation going behind what I call quote enemy lines and really unpacking the problem and amplifying and for them to realize you're the only person who's done that with them.
I see. That makes perfect sense. I hadn't thought of it that way.
I mean, walk me through a scenario. What would be a typical call that your team would do on the phone? Is it to call somebody? It's a lead or an opportunity or a current client, or what's the scenario?
It's just an opportunity. It's a lead, and they'll get them on the phone, and
what do they say?
Well, something like, with your permission, I'd like to put together some numbers for you so that you might be able to consider the possibility of improving your coverage.
Okay, so that's moving to the solution. I'm sure there's probably a part somewhere in this where they say things like, can you tell me a little bit about your situation as it relates to what you think you might need insurance-wise? And they start talking about, well, this and this and this. Tell me more about that. What's the concern? What risk are you trying to protect here?
You see.
So it may be that your people are moving a little bit too quick to let us put together a solution for you, as opposed to how much are they spending time amplifying the gap and helping the other person realize this is mission critical, that they protect their family, they protect their car, they protect their valuables, because if something happens, they'll be in a worse spot than they are now. So it might be an issue of that solution-centric thinking to problem-centric thinking. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, Jerry. Take care. See you soon.
I work in